This is total madness. 240Hz insanely high refresh rate, quantum dot layer, 4K full array mini LED technology, auto low latency mode, VRR, AMD FreeSync Premium, all of these for only 54,999. Hisense is back again with a brand new model, and this is your all new U7K 4K TV just launched in the Indian market, guys. And as I've told you just now, it's got some insanely next level features at a starting price of only around 54,999. First of all, it's a 55 inches 4K QLED TV with full array mini LED backlighting technology. On top of that, you're getting like insanely high 240Hz refresh rate and all the gaming features you might be looking for. I'm like very excited to see what this TV is actually capable of, guys. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the video. Our brand new Hisense TV came in this sort of box packaging, and this model will be exclusively available on Amazon. And also the brand is giving you a special 3-year extended warranty offer if you are buying this TV around the festive period before 15th of November, guys. So all details and links for the products will be available in the description box below. Quickly unboxing it, at the top you have a wall mounting bracket included in the package. There's also an accessory packet over here. This is your TV remote, guys. Compact, stylish, and it's a smart remote. You're also getting voice assistant support included as well, and along with that you're also getting some installation screws for the stand, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and some cables which include a mains cord for the TV and an RCA to 3.5mm cable as well. Make sure to read this paperwork for all the details. And lastly, these are your TV stand, guys. Very premium looking stands, right? Entirely made of metal and have a premium look and feel. Keeping all the accessories aside, now let's finally take the TV out of the package and let me give you a very first look at how the Hisense U7K 4K TV looks like. Packaging quality is good, and there you go, boys, our very first look at Hisense all new U7K 55 inches 4K TV. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. It's been a couple of days. I've been using this Hisense brand new U7K 2023 model TV at my place, and I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. I'll be covering all aspects and also clarify all of your doubts in this video, guys, especially about all the gaming related features. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let me give you a closer look and start off with the design and build quality part. Hisense U7K looks quite premium for the price point. From the front, it has a nearly bezel-less sort of look. It has a 3-sided bezel-less design. On the bottom you do have a little bit of chin, but that also looks quite premium because of its brushed metallic finish. You have a Hisense logo at the center, and below that you've got a couple of sensors and microphones. On board, far field microphones because it supports Vida voice and also Amazon Alexa on board, so you don't need to use your remote every time, guys. Simply give Alexa voice command and TV will automatically respond, and you can ask your question directly from anywhere. So I'll give you a demo of that as well in this video. Talking about the stands, man, these are one of the most beautiful looking stand designs I've seen on a TV around this price point, guys. Entirely metallic finish stands, and that to have a premium brushed metallic sort of finish, and has a very modern and sleek looking design. I really love that over here. And having a look at the side profile of the TV, here's how it looks like. Main attraction over here is also that metallic finished bezel all around the TV, guys. Has a very nice flush metallic surface. So what I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the TV and show you how the back panel looks like. Build quality of the Hisense U7K is very good, I would say. It's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate finish. And here you can check out the complete speaker configuration, and also I'll give you a closer look and talk about all the available I/O connectivity ports as well. Plenty of connectivity options are there. You're getting a USB port to connect some storage devices, 4 HDMI ports are available, and out of these only HDMI 3 supports EARC, and 3 and 4 only have high refresh rate support. Keep that point in mind. Lastly, you're also getting an RF antenna, and also headphone jack is available and an AV in. Followed by you have a couple of other ports as well at the back of the TV, which include one more USB port, digital optical audio out is also there, and lastly an Ethernet port. Now let's quickly jump into the home screen and talk about the operating system, built-in apps and features. First thing I'll have to mention is this Hisense U7K is powered by Vida operating system made specially for TV. And this time Vida operating system has definitely seen some improvements, guys, and I'll talk about that in a moment. First thing is they've actually refined the whole UI. It's much more modern and clean and has a very organized look and feel. Check out the content displayed on the home screen. It shows you suggestions from variety of platforms and OTT related apps, and it automatically keeps updating displaying the content on the home screen and gives you recommendations as per your tastes and preferences. Now apart from that, last time I remember a couple of people were actually saying that Vida operating system didn't have support for Disney Plus Hotstar, right? Now they've actually updated that and included Disney Plus Hotstar as well on this model. So that means you're almost getting like every OTT related app available over here, guys. Look at the home screen. You're getting Netflix, Amazon Prime Video is also there, YouTube, Disney Plus Hotstar, Sony Live, and almost everything is available right out of the box pre-installed on this model. So you don't need to search for anything. And if you talk about the overall performance of the TV was running quite smooth during my testing period, and it's actually powered by a quad-core CPU, and I had like a pleasant experience, guys, navigating through the home screen, opening and closing of apps, transitions, everything were nice over here. Anyways, here's how the home screen on it looks like. I've told you, right, at the top you got all your favorite OTT platform apps, and moving down you got plenty of recommendations which automatically keep updating as per your taste and preference. To the side you've got a neat layout which gives you access to your Vida account, search tab is also there, and notifications area, plus your input section area. Here you can easily toggle between all the inputs that you've connected to the TV. And lastly, this one is your settings. So let me also give you a closer look at the settings and show you what's available on this TV. Plenty of picture and audio settings are available. Starting off with the picture modes, you're getting a standard mode, cinema mode is also there, sports mode is also there for all the cricket enthusiasts, and you also have a AI smart scene detection as well. That will automatically change the TV mode depending on the content and media that you're watching. Going to the picture settings, you can adjust lots of things like backlighting is a brightness adjustment, contrast, color saturation, and also has support for MEMC as well, your motion compensation, which they are calling it as ultra smooth motion. And best part about this TV is it supports insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, which can be easily enabled using high refresh rate option in the settings. We'll talk about all of that during the gaming review part. Anyway, so that was about the picture settings, and going on to the sound settings, here you can access a couple of sound modes like theater mode is there, music mode, sports mode is also available depending on the scenario, and Dolby Atmos support is also there. Now coming to the network settings, yes, the TV has Wi-Fi 6E, newest gen Wi-Fi support, and yes, dual band Wi-Fi support is also there. You can connect to 2.4 GHz network, 5 GHz network, and 6 GHz network as well. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the picture and sound settings on the U7K. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up some OTT platforms, maybe like YouTube, Netflix, play some content over here, just have a look at them, and then we'll be back and talk about the picture and the sound quality on this model.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Alright, buckle up guys, you people are in for a ride. So today, as you've seen the video's title, we will be building your dream gaming PC 2023. And by dream PC, I'm not talking about those super expensive, super powerful PCs. No, not everybody can afford a 4080, 4090, right? This is something within your reach. Hisense U7K is a 4K HDR10 Plus quantum dot full array mini LED TV. It's available in different sizes. Today in the house we have the 55-inch variant, and I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, and let me tell you, picture quality on this model is really good for the price point. It's got a native 4K resolution no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like 4K YouTube videos or even like 4K movies on Netflix, Dolby Vision content on Prime Videos. You will have a total blast. It was producing great amount of detail and everything looks crisp and clear at 55 inches. First of all, let me tell you about the backlighting technology. A lot of people actually do not know the difference between edge lit TVs, direct LED TVs, and also full array LED TVs. This one is a premium full array LED TV, guys. So in full array backlighting, right, you have lots of mini tiny LEDs bunched together, and the TV can smartly control all of these independent zones individually, and thus offering a much more precise and accurate backlight control. This will give you like a superior contrast level, deeper black levels, and also will reduce blooming effect that you might see in a lot of budget related edge lit TVs or even like direct LED TV. So that is the benefit of a full array LED TV. And yes, it has local dimming support, and lots of settings are there in the picture settings. you can easily access them from the menu. Now apart from that, if you talk about the colors, first of all guys, I've told you now, this is a QLED TV. That means it has like a quantum dot layer on the front, and when light strikes these quantum dot particles, it produces strikingly beautiful and vivid looking colors. I mean, just look at those reds, greens and blues on the panel. That itself is like self-explanatory. Colors over here are like very beautiful guys. It was producing like rich and natural looking colors and is capable of displaying up to like 1 billion color range. So definitely wide color gamut range is there. And apart from that, yes, the TV also supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus, HLG support is also there. So if you're watching these sort of content on maybe like Netflix or Prime Video, right, you're gonna have an absolutely great time watching content over here. As I've told you just now, because of full array LED backlighting technology, contrast levels over here were really good and it was producing deeper black levels than your regular mid-range sort of TVs. And talking about the brightness was also really good. Panel can go almost up to like 1000 nits of peak brightness. So this will definitely help you when you're watching HDR related content guys. So it was producing amazing specular highlight details in those highlight areas, and shadow details were also really nice. So you're definitely gonna enjoy HDR experience. And yes, it also has Dolby Vision IQ support as well. Overall, I'm telling you, right, for the price that you're paying, you'll be very happy and satisfied with the picture quality that you're getting on this TV. And apart from that, viewing angles are also great. It has around like 178-degree wide viewing angle, and picture looks the same no matter from which angle you were checking out. So keeping the picture quality aside, let's also talk about the audio quality as well. Audio is also actually special over here. You're getting 2.1 channel speaker setup, which include two full range speakers and a woofer as well. And these two drivers are 10 watt each, so 20 watts of full range drivers and a 20 watt dedicated woofer as well. So totally you can expect around 40 watts of 2.1 channel audio experience on this TV. And for a day-to-day sort of usage, audio quality over here was really good guys. It was producing good amount of detail. All the dialogues were like clearly audible, and even the dynamic range was decent, I would say. And bass was also there, all thanks to that woofer guys. So for a day-to-day sort of usage, the onboard speakers are gonna easily satisfy you and get your job done. But again, if you are like a pro level audio enthusiast and you want more powerful sound, then in those cases you might have to go for like an external soundbar or maybe like a 5.1 or 7.1 home theater system. That I'll leave up to you. Now comes the main highlight of the TV. It's gaming related features. Hisense U7K has an insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz. This is absolute madness for the price. They've set like a really high benchmark in the competition right now. Along with 240 Hz high refresh rate, TV also has support for HDMI 2.1 with EARC and also supports VRR, auto low latency mode, AMD FreeSync Premium, and a brand new game menu feature as well. All these features combined make it one of the best gaming TV you can buy around this price range. Though one thing I do have to mention is, out of the box you're not gonna get 240 Hz experience. There are a couple of settings which you'll need to enable to access that feature. This 240 Hz is specially designed for all the PC gamers out there. Obviously no console right now supports this high refresh rate, right? So once you connect your gaming PC to the HDMI port on the TV, click the menu button on the remote and change the HDMI format from standard to enhanced 240 Hz mode. And after that, simply go to your picture settings and head over to the expert section. At the last of the menu, you'll find an option called as high refresh rate mode. Simply enable this and bam, you're all set for 240 Hz gaming. But one more thing I have to mention is, this 240 Hz is not available at its native 4K resolution. In 4K, the maximum refresh rate you're gonna get is 120 Hz. 240 Hz is only available at 1080p resolution. And in 1440p resolution, you can get around 144 Hz refresh rate. This is still pretty good, I believe. Console gamers, people who have like PS5 will be quite happy. You're getting your 4K 120Hz best gaming experience, and PC gamers, you people can also do your high refresh rate, either 144Hz or 240Hz gaming, but at a lower resolution of 1440p or 1080p. I've played a couple of games at both 4K 120 and even 1080p 240 and was really happy with the experience over here. Minimum input lag, good response time, and overall satisfactory experience for the price point. And not to miss out, you're also getting a brand new game menu feature as well, which shows you the current FPS. You can adjust brightness, dark detail settings, and toggle AMD FreeSync option as well. Quite handy, I would say. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Hisense 55 U7K TV. It's a killer TV for the price point. You're getting premium look and feel, 4K quantum dot full array mini LED panel with Dolby Vision and Atmos support, and next level gaming features on board. The pricing of the TV starts at somewhere around 54,999 rupees in the Indian market. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.